So this is mascara that I love, especially for going out at, like if I need all day mascara, this stuff, it's called Perversion, which is just, I don't know about that name, but it's Urban Decay, works really good. I just keep this on subscribe for myself, keep it coming in. And then I got my lips tattooed maybe a year ago. So they have a very light color, which is great because I film a lot in restaurants and I'm eating on camera all the time and whatever. It just was nice to have some color even without it going all over my face, like with lip liner, lipstick, whatever. But, oh, my timer. Oh, just a couple more minutes. So, holy. So anyways, I got this stuff because if I do want to, so I love my permanent lip tattoo, but if I want to change the color or have a little extra color than my normal like everyday look, then I go a little bit darker with this. And I have another video elsewhere that you could see of this, but look at this. It's black, dark purple when you put it on. It's a lip stain. I am so happy I found this. So I popped this on after I brush my teeth, before I have makeup on, and I put this on. It stays on 10 minutes. I put in my contacts, I do my eye makeup, whatever, and then I peel it off, and then my lips are this color. I put this on, let's see, I put this on 6 hours ago. I volunteered, or I went to my kiddo's school, like this volunteer type thing this morning. So I got ready super early. I had an appointment. I went out to the grocery store for something else. I didn't get these veggies, but why are we not boiling yet? Great question. Anyways, I've had this on for hours and hours. I just to stay hydrated, I am someone who chronically has dry lips, so I'll pop on some chapstick throughout the day on top of it, but this stuff has been so awesome. I just ordered it in 2 more colors because obsessed.